The following message is the request of the civil authorities. Reports came in about something. The portal that summons enemies is now different. Reports came in about these zombies, but they all wore armor. We don't know the names yet, but the portal inspections will inspect the portal again. And another report came in about a knight came in, but it's a zombie. It's confusing. Stay tuned for more information on this unknown situation. The following message is the request of the portal inspections. There have been reports about these zombies and they are spreading in United States. All residents of the United States are to get underground, and we have names for the zombies. It's Spike Night, and it's confirmed that a boss named Lunar Shard is gonna spawn in the next 2 days. Everyone get ready because the towers are gonna defeat the zombies. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. We interrupt irregular programming. This is a national emergency. The following message is the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The portal inspections saw Lunar Shard and it had 70k health, and another report came in that we saw Solar Shard and it had 80k health. All residents of the United States are now get underground. Bring food, water, medical supplies and a battery-powered radio to last you for 2 weeks. The towers will try to defeat the 2 bosses, and a report came in about the portal inspections saw something and the name was Umbra and she had 1m health, same as Frost Spirit. And do not go outside as you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is the request of the portal inspections. This is it. The zombies are gone, but it's not over yet. But we will hope we can survive this. And reports came that portal inspections had saw these 4 bosses: Jax, Swamp Monster, Purse Umbra, and Umbra. There are those the 4 knights we will have to do dealing at this time. And here how it works. Every 4 nights a boss spawns. And every night it gets more stronger. Everybody get ready for bad 4 nights. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.